Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, beta. Good afternoon, beta. Are you ready? Fine. Are you ready for the computer class? I hope you all are ready for the computer class. And you know that your exam is coming soon. So, chapter number 7, 8 and 9, these 3 chapters in term 2 syllabus, all the 3 chapters completed. Today we will revise from those chapters. Okay? Today we will revise from those chapters. Or no, good afternoon, beta. Why we have written that I am in 5 fine? No need to write this one. Okay, let's start. Now, I will ask the question and he will answer me on chat. Okay, let's start. Shoirik, okay. Then start now. Write the cell reference of the following shell. You have to tell me the cell reference. It is a revision class, beta. I will ask the question to you, Jannat, and you have to answer me. Okay? Who can answer me first? Then let's see. You have to type it. No need to switch on the speaker. Okay? Please mute your microphone and write down the answer in chat. Okay? In text box. Let's start now. Write the cell reference of the following shell. I will write down the cell and you have to write the cell reference. 4th row, 6th column. 4th row, 6th column, what will be the cell reference? Please reply me quickly. 4th row and 6th column. F4. Jannat, very good, beta. F4. F4 is the very good. Chandojit, very good. Ornobde, very good. F should be in capital letter. Okay. When you will write this column name, it should be in capital letter. Okay. Diya, what will be the cell reference of 4th row and 6th column? This was my question. Okay. F4. Okay. Next question. 13th row, 15th column. 13th row, 15th column. What will be the cell reference? 13th row and 15th column. Yes, very good, Jannat. O13. Nobody will open your book. Nobody will open your book. Okay. Animesh, previous answer correct. Not Vendila, not P13, beta. Here 15th column. First you have to write the column name and then row number. Column 15. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. O is the 15th letter of the alphabet. Okay. So O13. O13. Okay. Okay, Diya, very good. Shreya, very good. Somojit Machi, very good. Animesh, very good. Kostav, very good, beta. Shoirik, very good. Okay. Vendila, very good. Now the next question. 9th row and 7th column. 9th row and 7th column. 9th row and 7th column. First you have to write the column name. Yes, Kostav, very good. G9. Very good, Jannat. And nobody will open your book. And Vendila, G should be in capital letter. Okay, very good, everyone. G9. G9. Okay. And the next one, 10th row and 10th column. 10th row and 10th column. 10th row, 10th column. J10. Shreya, very good, beta. Kostav, very good. Vendila, very good. Bani, very good. Arnav, very good. Nilanjan, Shoirik, Jannat, very good, beta. 10th column, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. J is the 10th column and the row number is 10th. J, 10th. Okay. Now, 15th row and 15th column. 15th row and 15th column. 15th row, 15th column. O15. Very good Shreya. Very good Jannat. Rupsha. Very good beta. O15. If I give you 17th row and 13th column. 17th row and 13th column. 17th, okay, previous answer correct beta. Now answer me this one. M17. 13th column. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. M is the 13th alphabet. So, M17. Very good. Onik, Arnab, Nilanjan, Rupsha, Shreya, Shoirik, Vaibhav, Jannat, Animesh. Very good everyone. M17. Okay. Okay. Now, I will ask the questions and option. Some option I will write on board and some only I will tell you and you have to answer me. Okay, Shomojit Maji. Next question. The number of rows in a worksheet is, the number of rows in a worksheet. A, B, C, D. Answer me. Jannat, 10,48,576. Very good Chandrajit, very good Jannat. Option B is the correct answer. 10,48,576 rows in a worksheet. Okay. Now next question. How many columns in a worksheet? How many columns in a worksheet? How many columns in a worksheet? Animesh, 16,384. Very good. 16,384. Option D is the correct answer. Kaustubh, not B beta, D. 16,384. 16,384. Onik, very good. Priyanshu, Vendila, very good. Orno, very good. Shreya, very good. No, Vadia, 1638. Not beta. Wrong answer. 16,384 columns in a worksheet. Okay. Okay. Now next question. Next question. A workbook contains 5, 10, 5, 10, 4, 3. A workbook contain dash worksheet. A workbook contain, yes Shohini, a workbook contain 3 worksheets. 3. Option D is the correct answer. A workbook contain 3 worksheet. Yes, very good Kaustubh, Shohini, Priyanshu, Shreya, Shaptak, Vaibhav, Chandrajit, very good beta. Next question. Now next question. A formula always starts with plus, minus, is to, plus, minus, equal to and is to. Okay. A formula always starts with equal to. Very good Shaptak, very good Jannat. Why have you written 10? 10 means equal to. A formula always starts with equal to. Option C is the correct answer. Yes. Very good everyone. Now next question. An example of cell reference XF 6H FS F5. What is the cell reference? An example of cell reference is F4. I am given F4. Or Shoptak, Arnob, Jannat. Jannat correct beta. Boivov correct. Priyanshu, that means your book is open. We have written F4. That's why I am given this. F5. F5 is a cell reference. F4 Onik, where is F4? I am not given that option over here. Shomojit Maji, you are correct beta. Animesh correct, Priyanshu correct, Diya correct, Kaustav correct, Vanjila correct. Okay, F, X, A, both are column name. So it is wrong. 6 is a row number, then column, it is wrong. F, S, here is also both the column names, it is also wrong. F, column number and 5, 5th row. So it is correct. Okay, now next question. You just answer me. Which key is used to move the pointer down by one cell? Which key is used to move the pointer down by one cell? Which key we use? Very good Shohini, very good Jannat. Enter key. Enter key is used to move the pointer down by one cell. Okay Shreya, Shoptak, very good all of you. Next question. What are the row heading indicated with? What are the row heading indicated with? Next question. Very good Diya, previous answer okay or no, fine. Next question. What are the row heading indicated with? Numericals, okay, numericals, very good answer. Numericals, okay. Numbers, it should be a numerical, okay, fine. If I given in option numbers, you have to take the numbers, okay. Now, another question, okay, very good. Now, answer me, which buttons allow you to move the text entry to a higher heading level? Which option allows you? Which option allows you to move the text entry to a higher heading level? Higher heading level. Expand, demote, promote, and collapse. Expand, demote, promote and collapse. Promote, very good everyone. Promote, Somojit, Shoirik, Chandrajit, Vaibhav, Kaustav. Promote is the correct answer. Promote is the correct answer. Now next question. Next question, which option moves the text entry one level lower at a time? One level lower at a time, same option. One level lower at a time. Which option move the text entry one level lower at a time? Demote, very good Shoirik, very good Jannat, Shoptak, very good. Demote, Shreya, very good. This answer will be demote. Demote one level lower at a time, and promote, move the text to a higher heading level. Okay. And the next question. Now, next question. On which tab background style button is available? On which tab the background style button is available? On which tab? Slide master, very good Shoirik, Vendila, Choptak, Shomojit, Kaustav, very good beta, Nilanjan, Diya, Shohini, Arnob, very good. Slide master tab. In the slide master tab, background style button is available. Okay, Animesh, very good. Next question. Now another question. Shape fill option is available. Shape fill option is available in the review tab, insert tab, home tab and view tab. The shape fill option is available in home tab. Option C, home. Very good. Shape fill option is available in the home tab. Okay, very good. Next question. Go to the dash tab. Go to the dash tab and then click on the close master view from the ribbon to close the slide master. Go to the dash tab. Which tab? Home tab, insert tab, format tab and slide master tab. Which tab? Go to the slide master tab. Very good, Nilanjan. Slide master. And Jannat, very good. Arnav, very good. Nilanjan, Boivav, very good everyone. Slide master, option D, slide master. Shohini, Animesh, very good. Vendila, Kosta, very good all of you. Slide master tab. Okay. Now, can you tell me which option enables you to change the background color of the text? No option. Which option enables you to change the background color of the text? Which option enable you to change the background color of the text? Which option? No, Boivav, wrong answer. Which option enable you to change the background color of the text? Vendila, it should be a format background. Format background. Format background. Answer will be format background. Okay. Now next question. Which key is used to indent the text? Which key is used to indent the text? Which key? Format background. Very good, Jannat. Very good. Arnav, Kaustav, Vendila, Shohini, Shreya and Shomojit Maji. Why you have sent the Kaustav's answer? Very good, Shoirik. Next answer, tab. Kaustav, very good. Shoptak, very good. The tab key is used to indent the text. The tab key is used to indent the text. Very good. Now, can you tell me that title of the slide is written in the dash placeholder? The title of the slide is written in the title of the slide is written in the dash placeholder. Previous answer tab, it's correct. Slide title, Jannat, very good. Slide title placeholder. Slide title, very good, Shoirik. Next question. Picture style option is present in the dash tab. Picture style option is present in the previous answer correct. Slide title placeholder. Okay, very good. Next question. Picture style option is present in the picture style option is present. Shoidik, very good. Format tab. Picture style option is present in the format tab. Very good, Jannat, Arnav, Shoidik, Boivav, Shomojit Maji, Animesh, very good all of you. Now I have to take your attendance. One question more. Slide master option is present in the dash tab. Slide master option is present. Slide master option is present in view tab. Very good, Animesh. Sorry, very good, no, very good, Vendila. No slide master tab, no beta. I asked the slide master option is present in the view tab. Slide master option is present in the view tab. Slide master option is present in the view tab. Now I have to take your attendance. Who are present? Please write down, then I will ask few questions. Shreya, why you left now? Nobody will leave. I will ask some other question also. Wait just a minute. Arnav, they present. Shoirik Mondol present. Shoirik, where is Shoirik? Shoirik Mondol present. Boivav Pal present. Nilanjan De present. Animeshi present. Where is Animesh's name? I can't find the Animesh's name here. Okay. Animeshi, Ofro Hajra, Dia Mondol. Dia Mondol present. Jannat Choudhury present. Animesh, your name? Oh, got it, beta, got it. Now, don't leave the class. I will ask few questions still. Wait. Jannat Kaustubh Mitra present. And Vendila Roy present. Priyanshu Malakar present. Vendila Roy present. Priyanshu Malakar present. Sattik De present. Sattik De present. And Sohini Mukherjee present. Where is Sohini's name? Sohini. I can't find the Sohini's name. Shreya present. Sohini. Shomojit Majhi present. Shomojit Majhi present. And Shomojit Das present. Shomojit Das, where is your name? Shomojit Das, your name is not here. Shoptak Mondol. Shoptak Mondol present. Okay, I have taken your attendance. Now next question. Everyone please. Yes, I have taken the Pines attendance beta. Next question is here. Tell me, you can insert a new slide using Ctrl M, Ctrl O, Ctrl N, Ctrl S. Please reply me quickly, beta. You can insert a new slide. You can insert a new slide by pressing insert a new slide by using Ctrl M, Ctrl O, Ctrl S, Ctrl N. Ctrl plus N. Very good. Ctrl N. CTRL plus N. It should be in capital letter. Okay. Ctrl not M. Beta Boivab wrong. Or no wrong. Ctrl N for the new slide. You can insert a new slide. You have the shortcut key Ctrl plus N, not Ctrl M. Okay. Next question. Which tab appears upon selecting a shape? Design, playback, format, insert. Design, playback, format, insert. Which tab appears upon selecting a shape? Please reply me quickly. Answer, format. Very good, beta. Very good. Format. Next question. On text, audio, picture, etc. Text, audio, picture, etc. is used to arrange in a particular manner is called layout, slideshow, outline, time and theme view. Layout. Very good, Sattik. Very good, beta. Arnav, very good. Layout. Shomojit Majhi, very good. It's called a layout. Now, which option allows you to insert picture? Illustration, slideshow, images, none of this. Which option allows you to insert picture? Which option? Illustration, slideshow, images and none of this. Images. Very good, Shoptak. Okay. I have taken your attendance for today this much. See you next class. Thank you. You all will practice in this manner in your home. Bye beta. Bye all of you.